Hello students, welcome back to the virtual class of IP. In our previous class we discussed about databases, DBMS and RDBMS. Today we will discuss about the terminology of RDBMS. In RDBMS or DBMS, a table which is a two-dimensional structure and is used to store data in rows and columns is called relation. Row in a table is called tuple or record. Column in a table is called attribute or field. Number of columns signifies degree and number of rows signifies cardinality. This is clearly shown on the next screen in the table student. Now let's discuss the concept of keys. What is key? It is a set of column or columns which identifies a record. There are various keys like primary key, that column or set of columns which identifies a unique record in a table. The values of the primary key column cannot be repeated. Candidate key, that column or set of columns which can be used as primary key are called candidate key. Alternate key, a candidate key which is not a primary key is called alternate key. Foreign key, primary key of one table is not the primary key of another table is called foreign key. This is the concept which is used to interlink two different tables. This all can be clarified in the upcoming screens. In this table, there are 5 columns, but among these, student ID, roll number and email are the 3 columns which can identify each record uniquely. So, these are known as candidate keys. But in a table, we can have one primary key, so we can finalize student ID as primary key, while others will be considered as alternate keys according to this example. Now, in the next example, which is in front of you, you are able to see two tables. One is student and another is course. If you observe carefully, course ID is the common field. In one of the table, it is the primary key, and in another table, it is the foreign key. The table course in which course ID is primary key identifies each record uniquely, means it will not allow two courses to have same course ID. But in the student table, if we see two students can have the same course ID, it means here the course ID is not the primary key, but it is the primary key of table course. Hence, primary key of one table is the foreign key of another table, and it is also known as the interlinker, which interlinks two tables and reveal the data at one place. Hope you have understood the concept of keys by now. Go through the class or the virtual lesson once again for any confusions. Bye.